Hello, what's up guys, welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. If you're new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and you can check out my other videos. We're going to be creating a game called Mad Libs, and what this game is about is you're creating a story that you don't see. So the idea behind it is you ask the user for adjective, noun, verbs and stuff like that. So when the user types it in, they don't know what the story is all about, or at the end they're either going to see an interesting story or a really funny one. Okay, so I picked this here. So this is an example of Mad Lib. Just search on Google for Mad Lib. If you want to create another one, search on Google for Mad Lib and check images. You should see something like this there too. There's a lot more. This is another one here. But I'm making use of this one. I copied this one already. Okay, so this is the text we're gonna make use of. Now let's get into the video. Okay, as you can see, we have a text here, a string already from what I copied in from the image from Google. Okay, so we can't put all this in a single line, so we're gonna split it. So to split it, we're gonna put a backslash here and then press enter. So why do we need the backslash? And by the way, be careful of this space. Once you press enter, just leave it that way. But so this backslash, the reason why we need it is so we can tell Python this string is spanning over to the next line. So if I remove it, you see this is highlighted as red, okay, which is gonna lead to an error. So you have to put the backslash there to fix that. Cool. And now this curly braces here is telling Python that this is gonna be a variable. Okay, it's gonna hold the space for a variable. Now if there's a variable called now, not now, but we're gonna fix that later, but it's gonna hold the space for a variable called now. This one for noun too, and this one for plural noun. So let me show you how that works. Now we're gonna do noun, and then we're gonna say input, enter a noun. The next one we're gonna say noun 2 equals to input, enter another noun, and the third one is gonna be plural noun, and then we're gonna say input, enter a plural noun. Okay, so we have that there. Now how do we make Python? Normally if you print this now, Python will just print this. I mean, it will just print this without representing this variable. Okay, so how do we make Python actually represent it? All you have to do is just put an F here, which makes it a string placeholder, an F string. Okay, and then so after everything, then we're gonna print a text. Of course, even if you give it now, under now and plural noun, Python is gonna represent. As you can see now, it's not more highlighted in the color it was before. So Python is just gonna fix these variables in here, and then we're gonna print it out. Okay, so that's clear. We get input, we fix the values, and we print it out. Simple as ABC. Now what you want to do is locate your file. Mine is in desktop in Python, so this is it here. So what I want to do ideally is open my cmd or terminal in this folder or directory. So I'm going to type cmd here, and to run your Python file, as you can see, the name here is madlib.py, which is this here, madlib.py. okay, so I'm going to come here, and to run it, just type Python and the name of your py, madlib.py. So on that, let's give it I'm gonna give this coffee, okay, potato, and I'm gonna give this flowers. So as you can see, a bowl of ruby red coffee sauce, a sweet potato casserole, and a dish of mashed flowers tempted my taste buds. Well, I don't think that's gonna tempt my taste buds. Okay, so that's it. And by the way, when I said be careful with the spaces here, if you put two tabs here or even a tab, let me show you what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna run this again. Come here. Oh, I made a mistake up here, so I'm gonna terminate that and run it again. So to navigate like you just use your arrow up and arrow down to navigate. So when I run this, now you see what this tab costs. See the space here. So whenever I press enter, just leave it the way it is, like this, one space, and it's gonna work fine. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in another YouTube video. Peace out, guys.